Assalamu alaikum. I'm Batman. My name is Batman. Today I am here for you. Today and we will do the sky, cross and root letter. You have learned the ABCD? Good. Read here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the alphabet. Today we will do the sky and grass letter. Okay. Let's start. A is a grass letter. Grass letter. And grass letter color is green. Green. Okay, put here. Yes, good. Okay, now next is B. B is a sky letter. Sky letter color is blue. Sky letter color is blue. Okay, put here. Good. Put nicely, paste it. Okay. And third is A, B, C. C is a grass letter. C is a grass letter. Again put here. Grass letter. Grass letter color is green. D. D is a sky letter. D is a sky letter. Put here. Sky letter. E is a grass letter. E. F. Now next is F. That one is the put here again. Okay. F. F is a sky letter. Now G. G is a root letter. Root letter color is brown. Good. H is a sky letter. Sky letter color is blue color. Sky letter color is blue. And now I. I is a grass letter. Grass letter color is green. Good. And next is K. K is a sky letter. L. L is a also sky letter. M. M is a grass letter. N is a grass letter. Put here. O. O is also a grass letter. Put here. Grass. Okay. P. P is a root letter. P is a root letter. Put here. Root. Okay. Q. Q is also a root letter. Q, root, put here Q. Okay, R. R is a grass letter. S. S is a grass letter. T. T is a sky letter. U. U is a grass letter. V. V is a grass letter. W. W is a grass letter. X. X is a grass letter. And blue color is a sky letter. Brown color is a root letter. Y is root letter. is also a root letter. Okay, here is missing. Sky letter, grass letter and root letter. Have you done this work? Good. Good job. Very good, friends. Let's sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye bye. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.